Hello and welcome. It is the second day of February 2021. My name is Derek and this is a Money Charts channel. All bets, trades, and of the like, that's within each's own risk and their own reward. I'm going to put up another silver video. I didn't plan on it, but I just noticed recently that I have data spanning back over 200 years on TradingView within the silver market. That is just spectacular to have such. But anyway, within it, can we see how this uptrend line, would there be one there? And I thought of that and, well, I drew one in. And sure enough, they do connect relatively nicely within the 1934 lows and the 1960, the 1973 lows, the lows just before the millennium, and then where it broke out from here. And then when it came back down here, interestingly enough, it found support on this trend line, as it just happens to do sometimes. And then I made a mistake in where I put this uptrend line, connecting this high, piercing above this one. And I should have done this one, because most likely this one's going to connect with here. So I'm going to have to redo this. And then I thought, you know what, I've talked so much before about upside analysis. If it breaks a trend line where it's going, well, I can do that and figure out an uptrend target level. So that's what I'm going to do. And I haven't done it yet, so I'm going to find out for the first time as I do this video. So what I need to do is I need to give myself enough space so I can draw in what I need to draw. Okay. Normally, it goes up to 2,000 on here, so let's just go like that. I can see the 1 and the 3 number. I want to connect this high, and just think about the fact 1800 is when the price was well over $1 per ounce, and the price is now up like not quite 20 times higher. So just something to think about. A lot of time has passed since then. So therefore, I'm going to push print screen, and therefore I'll be able to paint that into my image. And I'm going to draw a line in here. Then I'm going to connect the line to this high and this high. And then I'm going to do an upside target there after that. So let's paste it into my image in here. There we have it. Pretty much as you normally would see it, at least for the diagonal purposes. So I'm going to draw a trend line, and I want to connect the lows. And I guess it's the first time I connected it to hit. Yeah, just like that. And then I want to draw over it again and connect the highs. So I want the exact same rate of ascent. But I want more. And of course it hit. I mean, always does. I want more data, so I'm just going to draw out a larger line. So as it goes, the next level of resistance on here is north of 200, but not much north of it. Then what I do is I'm just going to highlight this little area like this. And I'm going to push copy, and then I can paste this back into the screen, and I can take this and I want to match this up somewhere in here, because this will tell me where the upside target is, and I can already tell it's north of 1,000 just by looking at it on a potential breakout. This is a type. A lot of times when I do technical analysis, I really don't enjoy doing a lot of this stuff, but I actually kind of enjoy this part. I don't do this too often, so it's kind of cool when I can do it, but well north of 3 even. So it's between, well, as of now, yeah, we're looking at close to 5,000 on a break of this, because that's normally what happens when you break. And if you go parabolic, and if we don't find resistance at the like $250, $300, $400 area, I don't know if $1,000 is going to be anything more than short and intermediate term resistance. We'll see in time, of course, and I think that's going to be the case as well, because I do think, I mean, originally back in when I started covering silver and getting into silver, I had an upside target of 1,000, and as years go on, I found multiple different reasons why things can go much higher. Now, maybe it's not going to be, maybe it will, but one of the big ones, of course, is I do think the gold to silver ratio is going to go much, much lower, and if that's the case, silver's got to be much higher than 1,000. So that's the main one. There's many reasons as well too. So then, thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.